Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed comparison of Shopify and Shop. If you've ever searched for ways to sell online, chances are that you've come across Shopify, and then maybe you also saw something called Shop app and thought, are these the same thing? Well, they're not technically. And in this video, I'm going to break it all down for you so you understand exactly what each one does, who it's for, and whether they actually work better together. Shopify is a full e-commerce platform. It's basically the engine that powers your online business. And with Shopify, you can build your own website, upload products, accept payments, manage inventory, handle shipping, and basically run an entire online store from one dashboard. It's used by millions of businesses worldwide and is designed to scale, whether you're just starting or already doing serious revenue. On the other hand, we have the Shop app, which you can find in Shopify itself. The Shop app is not a store builder. Instead, it's a shopping app designed for customers, not business owners. So think of it like this. Shopify is where you create and run your store, while Shop app is where customers discover, track, and buy from stores. The Shop app allows users to discover new brands, track orders in real time, use fast checkouts with Shop Pay, and get personalized recommendations. And here's the key connection. If you build your store on Shopify, your products can appear inside the Shop app automatically, which gives you extra visibility and potentially more sales. So instead of competing, these two actually work together as part of the same ecosystem. Now let us talk about the main features. For Shopify, which is for sellers, you get a full website builder, meaning you can design your store using themes and customize it to match your brand. Then you have product and inventory management, where you can upload unlimited products and track stock across multiple locations. You also get multiple shopping payment options, including Shopify payments and third-party gateways, plus features like buy now and pay later. And another big advantage is multi-channel selling. Yes, you can sell on your website, on social media, on marketplaces, even physical stores use Shopify POS. There's also a massive app marketplace which lets you extend functionality from dropshipping to advanced marketing. Now let us talk about the Shop app. Don't forget that this is for customers. The biggest feature here is order tracking. Instead of checking mails or multiple websites, users can track all their purchases in one place. And then there's Shop Pay, which is one of the fastest checkout systems online, which helps customers complete purchases quickly. You also get personalized product recommendations, a clean mobile shopping experience, easy reordering from favorite brands as well. For businesses, this translates to faster checkouts, better customer experience, and potential increase in conversions. But again, this only works if you already have a Shopify store. So what is the pricing like? For Shopify, it has a subscription-based model. There's a free plan at the moment where you try 3 days free and then you pay $1 per month for 3 months. That's huge. But basically, for solo entrepreneurs, there's a basic plan at $19 per month when you choose to do a yearly payment, a grow plan for small teams at $54 per month, an advanced plan for global reach at $299 per month, and plus for complex businesses at $2,300 per month. There's also a starter plan for casual selling at $5 per month, which is a one-page online store, and a POS Pro, which is another add-on for physical storefronts. For the Shop app, it is completely free because it's linked to Shopify. Businesses don't pay to be listed. So to benefit from it, you need a Shopify store subscription. So what are the pros and cons? For Shopify, here are the pros. Full control over your online store. It's scalable for small to large businesses. Powerful features and integrations, and multi-channel selling, both offline and online. And for the Shop app, the pro is that it's free for users who already have a Shopify platform, and it improves customer experience. There's also faster checkout with Shop Pay. How about the cons? For Shopify, a monthly subscription can be expensive, and some features require paid apps. With the Shop app, it's not a standalone business tool. You need a Shopify account to operate this, and you don't own the customer platform. So the question is this: is Shopify versus Shop really a competition? Honestly, no. These two tools are designed for completely different roles, and they are linked. Shopify is the foundation of your business. It's where everything happens. Your store, your products, your branding, your customer data. And the Shop app, on the other hand, is more like an extension of your business, helping customers to discover you, to buy faster, and stay connected after purchase. And that's it on the comparison of Shopify and Shop. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Wix, WooCommerce, and BigCommerce. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.